So the lighting's kind of bad. I apologize up front, but this is my basement, so deal with it. This is my print setup I have in the basement. Basically some reclaimed shelves, my stock of plastics, an old laptop that I use to control everything. I use the glue stick method, so I got my glue stick and a bottle of water and a wet wash rag so that I can clean and resurface the bed. Down here I've got some maintenance tools just in case I need to break something down. A stack of paper towels for when things get really wet, and my printer bot play, which is my little printer. On the laptop I'm running Cura with this webcam set up so that I can watch the bed from my remote connection. Right now I'm just killing time while the glue dries on my print bed. This is an LED light bar that I have magnetically mounted so that I've got some light down here because it's my basement, so deal with it. And then some magnets holding my normal set of tools up here. Thank you very much, and I hope this is useful.